Check the fixture model, quantity, and accessories against the packing list. Fully line the box with moisture-proof cloth to block moisture. Handle fixtures gently and place them steadily to prevent bumps or scratches. Insert anti-slip wooden wedges in gaps. Fold and heat seal the moisture-proof cloth tightly, leaving no gaps. Complete vacuum packaging for effective moisture protection. Seal the box and reinforce the structure. Weigh the entire package and record gross and net weight. Arrange shipment only after verifying that all cargo documentation is accurate and complete.